If you're trying to install Netflix app from Google Play Store, but each and every time you get this error, can't install Netflix, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, there are two major causes why you are experiencing this. One, it might be you don't have free space on your smartphone, and for that, you need just to free up some space, clear trash, and then try to install your Netflix app from Google Play Store. However, if space is not the issue, then you need to troubleshoot your smartphone by just following these simple steps. First, you need to go to Google Play Store. So I'll tap on Play Store here and make sure you are logged in with your Gmail before you search for your Netflix app. However, if you are already logged in with your data on or Wi-Fi on and you are unable to install, then go to your profile icon here, and then from here scroll down and you should see settings. Under these settings, look for network preferences option and tap on this, and you have quite a number of options here. You should see this option called app download preference. Under this, we have three options, and make sure you choose this over any network. This will ensure that you are able to download and install Netflix app via the current network you are connected to. So save the changes, turn on your data or connect to Wi-Fi, and then install your app. In most cases, this should fix your problem. However, if you still have issues, then the problem might be with Play Store app itself. For that, we need to troubleshoot Play Store, and you can do that by accessing Play Store app info page, and this you can access through settings, or you can just long press on your app for the shortcut method, and we have app info here. Depending on the smartphone version you have, sometimes you might be missing app info. If you're missing this, you should have a settings gear next to it, or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Google Play Store app info page. At this point, we want to clear Play Store app cache data. So you can do that by tapping on clear data here and then clear cache data, and finally OK. This will clear any errors that might be associated with this app by offloading all the cache data from your app. At this point, you'll need to restart your smartphone and then go open your app. So I'll open my Play Store app, search for Netflix app. I'll search for Netflix here and then run my search, and we have our app here. Now let's go ahead, try to install it. I'll tap on install, and now look at that, I'm able to install Netflix from Google Play Store. So that's how you can can't install Netflix app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.